Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying model and firmware because exit procedures vary by build. Once done, replace remote batteries and connect one HDMI device so the TV has an active input. Next, unplug power for 60 seconds to clear volatile memory. This often resets transient safe mode flags. After the minute, plug in and power on using the TV button, not the remote. If the TV still boots into safe mode, prepare to use button combos and on-screen menu recovery. You now perform the manual exit routine. Press and hold the TV's physical power plus volume up for 10 to 15 seconds, then release. This forces a normal boot sequence on many models. If the TV boots to a menu, go to Settings then System and look for Safe Mode or Recovery. Select Exit Safe Mode or Restart normally. Use the remote or panel keys. Make sure you confirm prompts because some options trigger a restart. If the menu lacks those choices, proceed to the factory reset alternative. You complete the process by applying a factory reset only if previous steps fail. Go to Settings, System, Reset, and Confirm. Remember, this erases apps and accounts, so back up any needed info first. If safe mode persists, download the correct firmware to a FAT32 USB, insert it, and follow the Update from USB prompts to reinstall system software. If that still fails, try another remote or remove all HDMI devices before rebooting. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.